True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I am in the White House area. So we are going to tour one rich neighborhood. The 14th of November. This is what it looked like after Hurricane Melissa affected Jamaica. So this is what it looked like, my people. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So this is a rich neighborhood in White House, guys. See, we have a lot of down walls and a lot of roofs. A lot of people overseas never get a chance to come home to see what go on, so just take the time out to show them what's going on in the White House, Westmoreland. There's not much house in this area though, you know, but you know, see, we have a lot of lots, empty lots. If you're in this area, you get a lot of nice view over into the sea. You see back on the seaside area, a lot of house top take off by Hurricane Melissa. A lot of them. So we're now leaving Paradise. We're heading towards the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. So much debris up on the roadside. Which one of them zinc them on? So we're heading towards border. We get the nice fried fish and bami. Yeah man, that's how we are reaching now. I reach a border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. And we are now border affected too. Where you get the fried fish. Remember here, so. Wow.